So yesterday we were working on, I'm going to just write it here, 10 more, 100 more, shrink this, there we go, and then 10 less, and 100 less. That was our strategy we were working through yesterday. So I'm going to pick a number. We'll just do a random number. Let's go 387, right? And so we're going to go, let's see, 10 less. Let's go put that up. So the number that's 10 less, we have to look at the number in the tens place. So 10 less is going to be a 7, right? And then all the other numbers stay the same. So the number that's 10 less is going to be 377. The number that's going to be 10 more, and I'm drawing them above and below because that's how it would be on the 100 chart. So one more 10 than 8 would be 9 tens, so everything else stays the same. So the number that's 10 more is 397. Now 100 more, we got to look specifically at the hundreds place. So one more 100 means we have 4 hundreds, 8 tens, and 7 ones. So 487 is 100 more, and then 100 less, so 1 less than 3 is going to be 2. So 2, and then the 8 stays the same, and the 7 stays the same. So 287. So that was yesterday's lesson. But let's talk about today's. Today we're going to look at how can you make a model to solve a problem about comparing numbers. How can you make a model to solve a problem about comparing numbers? Let's find out. So we're going to start here on page 135. And let's stick with the page 135 since I think this is our first time seeing this kind of page. So this is what we call our problem solving page. Okay, so here's the problem we're going to solve, and we're going to go through some steps on how to solve this problem, a story problem like this. So children bought 217 boxes, I'm going to underline that, of chocolate milk and 188 boxes of plain milk. Did they buy more boxes of chocolate milk or plain milk? Okay, so let's talk about how to unlock that problem. So here we go. What do I need to find? Well, we need to find the answer to that question. If children bought more boxes of chocolate milk or plain milk, right? What information do I need to use? Well, I need to know how many boxes of chocolate, and I need to know how many boxes of plain. So from taking our notes, we underlined some numbers. So there were 217 boxes of chocolate milk and 188 boxes of plain milk. Okay? So that's the information I need to solve this problem. Show how to solve the problem. So it says model the numbers, draw quick pictures of your model. So they've already modeled it for you using base 10. You can model it at home if you'd like. But now we're going to draw quick pictures to match the model. So for the first one, you need 2 hundreds. And we need 110. And then we need 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then the second one we need 100. And we need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And we need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the children bought more boxes of blank milk. Well, first thing you do is you start with the same place, that's the same value or the same place value. So we're going to start with 100. So we have 200s here, 100 there. That tells me my answer right away. There's more hundreds in this one, so they drank more boxes of chocolate milk. And so this is not one of those times when you want to do your best spelling, because if you look right up at the top, it's going to tell you how to spell chocolate. Okay, so there we go, chocolate. So the children bought more boxes of chocolate milk. So let's go to change the size of this. Oops, there we go. And we're going to go ahead a couple of pages. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause and then copy down what I've got and then press play. All right, so try another problem. Model the numbers, draw quick pictures to show how you solve the problem. So we're going to do just like we did on the last one, except we're going to draw quick pictures instead of modeling it. Well, actually, does it say model? Yeah, so you have your base 10 blocks at home, so definitely model these, then draw a quick picture of your model, okay? So let's see. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. Let me make sure these numbers match. 137, 142. Yes, they do. Okay, so here we go. Here's the same problem you have at the top, number 1. At the zoo, there are 137 birds and 142 reptiles. Are there more birds or more reptiles at the zoo? So first things first, we need to make models. So 137. So you should have your base 10 blocks. And you don't need to watch me do all these. Okay, so I made the model. So I did 137 up here, and I did 142 down here. So I made my model. Now I have to draw a quick picture to match my model. So I'm going to pause again, and then I'm going to show you my quick. Okay, there's my quick pictures. So now I got to figure out which one has more. So hundreds are the same. This one we have 3 tens. This one we have 4 tens. So that tells me the reptiles, there's more reptiles. So there are more, and I'm going to look right up here to spell reptiles. There are more reptiles. All right, let's go to our next one. Okay. Just double check my numbers, make sure they match yours. Okay, so here we go. Here's the problem. It says for number 2, that's which one we're on, Tom's book has 105 pages. Delia's book has 109 pages. Whose book has fewer pages? Oh, so we're doing something different. We're looking for fewer pages this time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and model these, and I'll share my model with you, and then I'll do a quick picture. Okay, so we have 105, and then we have a model for 109, and so now I'm going to draw my quick picture. Okay, so again, 105, 109. So whose book has fewer pages? Okay, so the hundreds are the same, so that's not going to help me. So look at my ones. There's 5 ones here and 9 ones. So 5 is smaller than 9, so that means this one. So Tom's book has fewer pages. So Tom's. There. Let's go to our next problem. All right, I want you to do, how about number 3 and number 4, and then we can check those together. So go ahead and pause, do number 3 and 4, and then we'll check those together. All right, number 3 and number 4, here we go. Okay, so Mary's puzzle has 164 pieces. Make this bigger. There. Jake's puzzle has 180 pieces. Whose puzzle has more pieces? So we're supposed to model the numbers, draw quick pictures to show how you solve the problem. So I'm just going to draw the quick picture. You should have already made the model at home. You don't need to draw the model. You just have to draw the quick picture. So Mary's puzzle has 164 pieces. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Jake's puzzle has 180 pieces. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. No ones. Whose puzzle has more pieces? Well, I can see the hundreds are the same. There's less tens here and more tens there. So that means this one's has more pieces. So Jake's puzzle. And we're going to copy his name from right up above. Apostrophe S, Jake's puzzle. Number 4, there are 246 people at the game. There are 251 people at the museum. At which place are there fewer people? So they're trying to get us again. They're trying to change it up. So we're looking for this time the number that's less because it's fewer people. So again, I'm going to draw the models because you guys already, or I'm going to draw the quick picture. You guys have already made the model with your base 10 blocks. And let's see, 250. Yep, that's 51. Okay, so the hundreds are the same. 4 tens, 5 tens. So that's less 10. So this is the number that's less. So that means there's fewer people at the game. So at the game. All right, so let's look at the rest of this work before my video gets too long. So you can do 5 and 6. That's up to you. You don't have to. I think we did enough together. Whoops. Okay, there we go. And you did the Think Smarter problem, probably with the video, with the math on the spot. So we're going to do number 9. Becky has 134 stamps. Sarah has 129 stamps. Who has more stamps? Well, let's see. 134, 129. Which number is larger? 134. So that means our answer is going to be Becky, because Becky has 134. So we're going to write Becky. Sarah buys 10 more stamps. Who has more stamps now? So if Sarah buys 10 more, right? So Becky still has 134. Sarah has 10 more than she had. So she had 129. So now she's going to have 139. So what number is bigger, this one or this one? If you said this one, you're right, 139. So that means now Sarah has more stamps. Okay, draw quick pictures to show the stamps Becky and Sarah have now. So I got to draw quick pictures of these numbers. So 134 and the number 139. Okay, now on to the rest of your work. You need to do this page and you need to do the back of it. And those are the 2 pages you're going to turn in for me today. All right. And it's Friday, so I will see you shortly for a little bit of music.